angiconductile into engifisa ukuthi niyazi ukuthi I'll need into enjenge petition whereby you guys you write affidavit ubhale affidavit mawukuthi wancedakala kwi hot city noma uyilunga lomphakathi kodwa hot city kusebenzela ubhale nje affidavit ukuthi no hot city channel iyangisebenzela mina iyangisebenzela ngo 1 2 3 noma hot city channel iyasiza thina emphakathini ngo 1 2 3 asinankinga nayo ma ungabhala nje ukuthi no this guy becomes rude to people that are rude ungasho nje futhi ubhale ukuthi lo muntu uba rude kubantu aba rude kuyena so bese ke lawo ma petition I think nje even noma kuthiwa awu 100 noma awu 200 coming from you guys anganceda nje kakhulu to dispute whatever claim that they are trying to make against me because they want to make a claim against me so ilokunja ilo petition is very important ukuthi sibhaleni ama affidavits wa attache as witness about this channel ukuthi usiza kanjani umphakathi khona ngibuza ukuthi ubhizi ngane empilweni if wena ubhizi empilweni you can come and show us your bank statement ukuthi ubhizi kangakanani then we can witness ukuthi hayi ubhuti ubhizi ungathi ngibhizi singaboni lutho uyabona so lento nje imayelana nokuthi fanele kuvalwe ichannel yami and ukuvalwa kwale channel kusho ukuthi kuyaqhubeka uqolwa komphakathi kuyaqhubeka ufihleka kwamaqiniso that's the thing nje lwelwayo ukuthi haya kuvalwe le channel yakhe kuvalwe le channel yakhe sibamsaneni kuvalwe le channel yakhe no angeke so dinga abantu ke be hot city ama video asekhona yes asesekhona wonke ama video I went to buy USB let me check where is this USB I went to buy the USB where's this USB okay so I went to buy this USB this USB specifically amaphoyisa athe angiyithenge le USB ngifake le USB le create a petition link awungisizeke lapho ke ngane yakwethu ngo create petition link angilelele lapho ngiyakwazi ukuthi good ke kulezo zinto lezo so that abantu bezosayina kwi petition link yes vele si isayini petition link iye phambili petition link but mina bengibona lo okay it's okay yes
babona Putin
yebo
ngisemgwaqweni kodwa ngizokubonisa kumele kube ne petition link ne izi ukuthi umuntu aclick nje masishareile and then basayine I petition online because I think for me that one is the easiest way ne yes nama affidavit I agree with you we will make such but nale link ye petition will also show and yazi abantu abaningi bahlala ba online umuntu only takes a minute to sign then lento leyo I right yabo angikhona ukuvela ngoba ngiya drive kodwa I just thought ukuthi ngitshele ngepetition link and then ngiza
impi yalaba impi yokuthi bafuna ukuvala iqiniso we can detect that from far because even namaphoyisa they were against indlela usisenze ngayo she is well known here in Johannesburg so they were against indlela enza ngayo ukuthi ezenzela umathanda nje always so they need that petition link we need that petition link sign ilo kunje ilo
babona abaningi bathi I link is the best because you just click and sign yabona ithi ngifike la ngiyakhona and then ngizakusisa
okay thank you so much
sharp.
Okay, so angesiyeke thina ngesize sivale ihot seat soze sibale singasho endlini yabona ke manje le pressure cooker ngiyazi mina
sekuvuthiwe sibali.
singasho ngempela ke endlini pressure cooker ngiyazi nayo isidedele imimoya hey angiyazi mina lento izoshisa endlini lento hey singaqhumela endlini lento ingozi kabi le so i-petition eyokuphikisana nale qembu leli elifuna ukuthi kuvalwe i-hot seat channel so kuneqembu elifuna ukuthi kuvalwe ilokhunja elifuna ukuthi kuvalwe i-hot seat channel hayi ngiyanazi-ke nina ngiyanazi-ke nina ukuthi-ke angeke-ke nivume vele ukuthi i-channel ivalwe hey uyacabanga nje sobhorekile imini yonke ethiwayo le channel ile ayisekho hey ningalokuthi cabanga usubhoreke imini yonke usuthi ayivalwe le channel bese bhoreka umhlaba wonke we ayi bafowethu ayi ngeke uze kulunge never khohlwa thiwa kuvalwe le channel imini yonke nobusuku bonke bafuna ukusebenzisana igebengu zinjalo igebengu zinjalo igebengu ziyaqophisa igebengu zinjalo thiwa ngeke phela le ilanda imali le abafuni ke manje kulandwa imali abafundi ukuthi kulandwe imali izathu befuna ukuvala le channel abafundi ukuthi kulandwe imali ufuna ukusebenzisana namasela vele amasela engilwa nawo mina ngilwa namasela nje mina ngilwa namasela uyasithuka thina bafowethu ake siqondiseni le ndaba asikaze sabiza umuntu satheze la asikaze all famous people that came into our channel asikaze sibabize thina we are always running our own channel without inviting people ngeke usibone sidonsa ifone sithi as-inviteni iceleb ubani as-inviteni ubani asikaze sikwenze lo they come here they look for followers and then they see that they are discredited then they start to fight the channel ayenzeki leyo nto leyo you don't come here to start looking for followers then you complain when followers you are not following you lana asiyenzi thina leyo nto asiyenzi thina leyo nto leyo so into ebalekile leyo but definitely icala likakafakwa kimi angaze ngilithole but amaphoyisa athe I must log all this and give it to them. I think I will also put the petition in so that this can stand firm for the community ukuthi bathi hayi cha ivunyelwe ke leyo kuthi kuvalwe le channel ikhohlo ake ngitshele masivala le channel ubani ozokhona ukuthi anilandele imali zenu masivala le anginankinga ke mina anginankinga vele noma ingavalwa ngaya ka Facebook but ubani ozonilandela imali zenu lena yubuhlakani bazama ukungiblocker bazama ukungiblocker ukuthi hayi asimvimbeni bazama ukungivimba angivinjwa ke asimvimbeni aseke isidingo la sokuthi umuntu athi aseke isidingo sokuthi umuntu eze la thina lana siyakutshela masingafuni ukukhuluma nawe sithi asithanda ukukhuluma nawe usiphoqa bese sixabana nawe ke futhi ngoba askisi bayasiphoqa bona ukuthi sikhulume nabo asifuni ukukhuluma nabo sibatshela befika sithi asifuni ukukhuluma nawe basiphoqe bese siyabadala lapha base behlebile bese bebuya sebeyakhala yabo yeah but ke hayi akusi akekho zoboshwa like when you think ukhona ozoboshwa cha lapha akekho ozoboshwa even amaphoyisa aqinisekisile lokuthi no akekho ozoboshwa akekho nje ozoboshwa lana mfethu somabhizinisi ba advertiser mahala la bangene bafaka umuntu akhulume ngebhizinisi lakhe umphakathi umuzwe njengakuphi la uadvertiser khona mahala umbuzo nje umile ikuphi la uadvertiser khona mahala ikuphi la wena ongena khona vele uadvertise mahala ikuphi akukho yabo so laba nje abame kancane laba nje abame kancane